Assalamu alaikum. Hello my YouTube people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey, love you all and you love us so, okay? This video is crochet many things like weekend different kinds, cap shawls, poncho, bags and different amazing designs for different pattern. Make yourself this idea, absolute idea behind me in such video and salute pictures, reference, how beautiful made that handbag, how you to carry and which bag for yourself. Crotches is something that I am obsessed within and more of emotions. I have emotions conditions with the crochet, like I have sweaters, t-shirts, capsule. It's up to me how styles them. This is video basically an idea to present and how you can dress up big for yourself and easily is crochet thing. So these are cap shawls, shorts and many cardigans. So these different kind of patterns, seriously, you won't know. It has many things in other creatures in a totally different designs for sure to you in this video. And the colors combinations, like one color combination also stunning design, and different two colors combinations, three colors combination also amazing design. This is getting point beach white, okay. So this is something like formal and with you formal and multiple color. I have better with this poncho design and with so amazing wows, like to show pretty. So looking show these colors, how black, green and red, white and okay. It has a design straight black, okay, blue, yellow and with carry the jeans and short unique pants. It has a shawls, okay. So thanks for watching. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.